What's up everybody? Michael here with Johnny Appleseed Organic, and today I have the yam flour that we made in the last video, and I'm going to be making pancakes with it. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of yam flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of oil. So first we're going to add half a cup of our yam flour. Seems about right. I have raw organic, what is this, cane turbinado sugar. You can use any kind of sweetener you want, but this is what I'm using. So this is 2 tablespoons. Nice and blended. So I'm using a full fat oat milk here. Shake it up a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna slowly add this in. A little at a time and mix it in. Yam flour does not have gluten like wheat does, so when you make pancakes or breads or things with yam flour, you don't have to worry about that because yam is free of gluten. And then from here, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Let your pancake batter sit for 10 to 15 minutes to thicken. Yam flour is also really high in manganese and lots of minerals that are great for your skin and just overall well-being. Before we continue, I want to tell you about Climate Guard, an organic fertilizer made for the eco-conscious home gardener. If you care about the planet and want to support what we're doing at the Johnny Appleseed Organic Village, visit johnnyappleseed.com or tap the link in the video description to learn more. Thank you. Your support really does help. And now, back to the video. In a medium saucepan, heat up some coconut oil. Gently pour your batter into the saucepan. So once the batter starts to form little bubbles towards the center of the circle, and it's doing that very frequently, that's when you know that it's time to flip it. Ooh, look at that. So we have cane syrup. This is a local guy made this. He grew the sugar cane and milled it, boiled it, did all the things you need to do to make cane syrup. So this is local Georgia cane syrup right here. I'm not too much of a super sweet person, so I just put a little bit. And then add some strawberries. Top. And voila, start. Got a little bit of everything on there. That was a big bite. I absolutely love this. I'm gonna make this probably every day for a little while until I use up all my flour, because I'm honestly not like a pancake person, but I love it. I hope you like it too if you try it at home. And if you liked it and you learned something from this video and you tried out this recipe and had a great experience, let us know in the comments section, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Because that's how you'll get to see all the cool content we make. So anyways, thank you so much. I thoroughly enjoyed making this video for you. And again, we're on all the social media channels, so check us out there as well. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that fun stuff. So thank you so much. See ya.